Okay, everyone. Welcome to a snowy day here in my area. And I'm out and about today on this trail to try to take photos of my latest helmet. My latest Washington Redskins helmet. It just happens to be a white helmet. So a snowy background and a snowy day like this would be perfect for a white helmet. Right? I would call it my Washington Redskins snow helmet. And I'm about to take pictures of it now. Well, here's the little trail near my house that I go to. I'm going to try to find some kind of log or some kind of stump or something like that to put my helmet on, and to try to take photos of it here in this wintry wonderland in Virginia. I was supposed to go to work today, but I figured I didn't want to drive in all the snow, so I just decided to call in. And oh, here's a nice stump. Where's the work? Here's a nice stump to put it on. Can I put it on this stump over here, or can I put it on this stump over here? Try to decide. Okay, still trying to find a good spot. I found two spots over there that might work. But I'm walking along the trail here to see if I can find an even better spot to take photos of my helmet. I kind of forgot my tripod. I wanted to take pictures of myself with the helmet, but I forgot my tripod. I'm gonna have to find some way to mount it on something like I'm gonna have to try to MacGyver or something to work as a tripod, or find something that'll work as a tripod. Look at this stump over here. Maybe this will work. I just put the helmet right on here, and then take a photo of it. What do you think? Maybe that'll work, huh? Let me try that one. Alright, I was able to take some photos. First round of photos. Now let's see if I can move further on down. See if I can take some more photos somewhere. How about that tree stump over there? That one with the cut off ends. What do you think? That looks kind of nice, huh? What do you think? This one over here? Put the helmet right on the tree, right on the end of the tree stump, huh? You think that'll work? I think that'll work, right? That'll work. Yeah, I think this tree stump will work fine. I'll see if I can take a picture here. All right, so there you go. It's right in the middle of a trail, and it's on a tree branch, hanging on the tree branch. It looks good. There's my helmet, as you can see, in this winter wonderland. A little bit higher shot. What do you think? A higher shot? What do you think? I think that works. I just hung it on a tree branch, and now I think it'll work. All right, so let me take some photos of this, and I'll be good. All right, well, there's my helmet. Right here in the middle of the snowy trail. Let's pan around this helmet here. I don't know what I call this helmet. I just call this the white helmet, because I've seen some white helmets, Redskin helmets online, and I wanted to make one similar to that, and I think I did a good job, don't you think? See that? I did a pretty good job. All right, taking some good photos here, and now I'm going to go further down the trail to see if I can find a spot where I can put my camera on, so I can take pictures of my camera with me. That will complete the photo shoot. So yeah, as you can see, this is the first really significant snowfall of the year this year so far. We've gotten about I think we've gotten about 6 inches so far, which is not too bad, which is a lot less than what they got in places further north, like say New York. New York is getting a lot of snow right now. New York is getting like a foot. So they're still getting it, and they kind of have to dig out. I've already dug my car out twice, yesterday and today, and it's still snowing. So I probably would have to dig out my car one more time, today or tomorrow. Let's see if we can find some other spots to take photos of my helmet. And okay, let's do it. Let's go. Okay, this is the helmet on the trail itself. As you can see, this is the trail. See, this is the trail close to my house, and sometimes I walk here. And this is the helmet right on the trail. Check it out from the other side. And this is the other side. See, there's my bag over there. That green thing on the left, that's my bag where I put the helmet when I travel with it. And this is the helmet itself. And that's the tree stump I used to put the helmet on to take photos of it. And there's another tree stump over here. That's where I put the helmet on to put the photos. And I think those photos are pretty good. Award-winning photos, I would have to say. I'm not really done yet. I'm just kind of looking for, kind of lost here. I don't know where. What if we go this way? This way here, because I left my bag over there somewhere by the trail, and I went off trail, and I don't know where I'm going now. I don't know if I passed in between these two trees or not, but okay, there's the that's not the trail though, that's the river. Kind of lost myself here. Lost. I don't know where I left my bag. I know I left it by the trail, and now I'm kind of stuck here in the marshes. Okay, I see the little river down there, so that means the trail is over here somewhere. Still got my helmet, as you can see. Okay, look for green. Oh, there it is. There's my bag. I found my bag, everyone. There it is. There's my bag. Okay, now I gotta get back on the trail, and there's my bag. See, and here's the trail. Well, it looks like it stopped snowing for a little bit here. Earlier it was snowing really good, but now it stopped, and maybe I can do some more shoveling. Except I'm still tired from shoveling earlier, so maybe I'll wait till a little later. I still have to do some painting my helmet, and I have to check my work email, because technically I have to be at work today, but so I check my work email and work from home a little bit. I've already worked from home a little bit earlier, and now I need to just work from home a little bit more, just so you know, just so I work today. I think that's it for my photo shoot. Maybe I'll go back to those original tree stumps that I saw. Remember those original two tree stumps that I saw earlier that I thought would be a good place to take photos? Maybe I'll go back to that and take photos there. And then that'll be it. It's getting really cold, and my nose is running. My hands are cold, my face are cold, and I think that's it for the photo shoot. This is the problem with doing photo shoots outside in the middle of winter. You have to contend with the cold, so it's not as hard, not as easy as it would be in the summertime when it's warmer and you can just go outside without putting any jackets on or anything like that. Just go outside and take photos. But since it's winter, I have to bundle up to go outside and prepare for the cold as I go to that original spot that I saw for taking photos of my helmet. So let's go over there now. Alright, well, that's it for my photo session. I think I took over 100 photos of my helmet, because when I make my helmets, I want to try to take photos of it so for posterity, before I sell it. And I am selling this one if you're interested. So hopefully somebody will buy it and I'll have some extra money. But in the meantime, while it's not selling, nobody's buying it, so I'll take photos of it here in the snowstorm of the first major snowstorm in this area for 2021. As you can see, when everything's covered with snow, everything looks so clean and pristine and clean and pristine when everything is covered in snow here in this winter wonderland of snow. And now it is time to retire to my warm house and have some hot chocolate, if I have some hot chocolate. If not, maybe just some apple juice, and maybe do a little bit of work. Stop my goofing off for a little bit, and then just go to work. As usual, please subscribe, like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel because it really helps the channel grow. And that's it. Thank you for watching from the snowy, wintry wonderland.